still all happening here at the Boat and Horses. I know they said Coach and Horses then. The Boat and Horses in Beeston Rylands. The SKAs are just about to finish and they're playing my song. Something about Lip Up Fatty.
For the first time in my life, I was so in love. Why are you laughing at me? I met this girl called Lorraine. She stole my heart. So when I find her, I'm gonna kill her. So when I find her, I'm gonna kill her. When I find her, I'm gonna kill her. Say when I find her, I'm gonna kill her. Lorraine, 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 Lorraine. She was so in love with me, we was gonna get wet. Hey, hey, hey! Tracy punched me round the head, so I slapped him on the nose. The rain, 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 the rain. The rain, 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 the rain. Hey!
We're still going here at the Boat and Horses in Beeston Rylands. Hope you can hear me. Just about to finish. What a absolute brilliant afternoon.
You're an embarrassment.